The DaLat's known for its flowers and strawberries, lakes, multiple lakes, mountains, and also waterfalls. So today we're going to go check out the largest, a waterfall, and we'll let you know what it looks like. So we've ridden out about half an hour or so to go to the Tiger Waterfall. About 3/4 of the way along the road gets real shitty. Do, I guess, consider that when you're coming out this way. We got here and there's a big sign that says that the waterfall is closed. So unfortunately, all of the bouncing along the road and trying desperately not to pop a tyre is not going to be worth it today, but the road has just come really good. So we're just going to have a look if we can actually see anything at all and hopefully not get in trouble, because there was also an unauthorised person's will get in trouble bit on the sign as well. But other people are coming this way, so...
Well, it's a Saturday. The chances of anyone getting us in trouble are pretty slim.
I should have known, I should have seen. That look in your eyes is not letting me in. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm sorry, it doesn't make any sense.
So we're out at a lake outside DaLat. It's about half an hour drive on the scooter. Cost us $100,000 to get in total, so $50 each. Really all we've done is kind of sat on this grassy bit in the sun and just stared out over the lake. There's a lot of gardens out here. It seems like tourism has gone away from the lake per se, and it's more focused on the gardens and everything that's been built up around it. If you're coming out camping or something, it'd be a lovely spot for that. I think like over in the far distance you might be able to see there's like camping under those trees over there. If you're just coming out to have a drive around.
Perhaps we just haven't found the right side. So far we are in the car park. We've got very far. $5,000 for bike protection. And try not to garrot yourself. And then we're going to go over there, which I'm assuming is going to charge us something else.
I don't think I'm particularly safe in these booties. I could go flying into the cutlery and the crockery.
Why do we keep falling down? When there's always been infected ground. We got time to make this right. By the time we keep falling down. Why do we keep falling down? When there's always been infected ground. We got time to make this right. By the time we keep falling down.
And yeah, there were people upstairs. 3 young men sitting and touching the displays. It's just so disrespectful. They still have to push past the boundaries. It's just rude. Don't be that person when you're traveling. I don't feel super safe up here. It's a good view though. Look down on all my peasants. Up there.
Manservant.
Manservant. Kiss this hand and help me down. We found another swing. Okay, let's try that again. With our backs to the chains and maybe a foot on the floor. That we're glinting into the sun. Yeah, I think I'll do this way.
An interesting look into the history of a royal family. Okay, Sunday afternoon out.
Yeah, it's a nice weather.